In this video, we demonstrate how to remove and install the solid-state drive or SSD. Before removing the SSD, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and all attached peripherals. Also, remove the base cover and the battery. To remove the SSD, we need to first remove the base cover and battery. In order to remove the base cover, loosen the 8 captive screws that secure the base cover to the computer. Now, using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover at the indents near the left and right hinges and continue to work around the edges to open the base cover. Lift and remove the base cover away from the computer. To remove the battery, disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board and remove screws that secure the battery to the palm rest assembly. Note that there can be 1 or more screws depending on whether it's a 3-cell or 4-cell battery configuration. Gently lift and slide the battery away from the palm rest assembly. Now, let's remove the SSD. First, remove the captive screws that secure the SSD support bracket to the palm rest. Now, remove the SSD support bracket from the SSD slot. Slightly lift and remove the SSD out from its connector on the system board. You have now successfully removed the SSD. Now, let's see how to install the solid-state drive. To begin, insert the SSD into the slot on the palm rest. Now place the SSD support bracket over the SSD and tighten the captive screws to secure the SSD bracket to the palm rest. Once the SSD has been installed, ensure to install the battery and base cover back on the computer. To install the battery, you have to first align and slide the battery on the palm rest. Now tighten the tooth screws to secure the battery to the palm rest. Connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board and affix the adhesive tape to secure the battery cable connector. To install the base cover, align and place the base cover on the computer. You can press the edges and sides of the base cover until it clicks into place. Now tighten the 8 captive screws to secure the base cover to the computer. You have now successfully installed the SSD. For more information, see the service manual document at dell.com/support.